In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL on Smart TV. First, make sure your Smart TV is connected to the internet. Then open your TV's App Store or App section and search for the official NFL app. Select the app, choose install and wait for the download to complete. Once it's installed, open the NFL app and sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your NFL account. Depending on your subscription and the type of content you are watching, the NFL app can provide access to NFL Network, available live games, preseason games, game replays, and other NFL programming. Keep in mind that the availability can vary depending on location, subscription, and broadcast rights. Another way to watch NFL games is through a supported live streaming service. Open your Smart TV's App Store and install a service such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV depending on which service carries the game you want to watch. Sign into your account, open the live guide and select the channel broadcasting the NFL game. You can also connect your TV provider to the NFL app if your provider is supported. Open the NFL app, go to Settings and Profile, choose the TV or streaming provider login option and follow the activation instructions. Enter the activation code shown on your TV, select your provider and sign in with your provider credentials. That's how you can easily watch NFL on your Smart TV. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.